in the sand. First, you want to put it into a low gear. And thank you for the hearts. Thank you for the likes. Thank you. You want to gradually push the gas, really easy to get traction. You could also use your floor mats as traction, putting it under the rear tires. If your car is rear wheel drive, you can put those mats on the ground and gradually put it in. Also, you can rock the car back and forth. You can put it in drive, move forward. You can put it in reverse. So you get a back and forth motion, and that builds momentum. And then you want to slowly build momentum. How do you control the speed when going downhill without having to use a lot of brakes? You can downshift into a lower gear. You can gently squeeze the brakes, but if you're riding the brakes, you're going to burn out the brakes, and then you won't be able to stop. We all seen truck drivers, they use the brakes, the brake pads are burning up, so you don't want to keep riding. You can downshift into a lower gear and lift your foot off the gas. You'll have more control that way. I love the question. Keep the questions coming.